Dysart.
Dysart is a former town and royal borough located on the south-east coast between Kirkcaldy and West Wales and Fife. It's only an hour and 10 minutes away from us, so ideal for us for a day out. Packed up. We've just come across this, I've no idea what they are, I've got their phone. They look good. Community station, that's quite good. Borrow equipment to collect litter.
Oh, no.
Right. The harbour area has probably never looked better than it does today. Dysart Harbour itself was in part literally carved out of the coal that outcropped here. Today it is home to a wild variety of pleasure crafts on its northwest side. The harbour is bound by a high wall of natural stone. Along the top of this runs which is known as the Sailor's Walk, a path giving access from the town by a flight of stairs to the outer end of the harbour. Dysart Harbour has also been used as a filming location for the series Outlander. In Series 2, Episode 1, Through a Glass Darkly, Claire and Jamie arrive at a port in France. Well, they never. They were here at Dysart Harbour.
It's been a building out sometimes. Quite a big harbour.
Yeah. So this is the wee cave. It looks a bit scary.
Fine. It's not much shopping.
Oh my god, I don't like it. Yeah. This is St. Sives Cave. The cave was said to have been used as a wine cellar for Dysart House from the 18th century.
Welcome to Dysart Harbour for your dog. It's just a flight. Oh no, it's just a Sunday.
In modern memory. Like a cafe.
Lovely to see.
No.
It's alright, I guess. parking lot. The guy's picture. Modern memory of George Berry.
We found this location on Park for Night. I will put the link in description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next